This is Lesson 15 Exit Ticket. Please write your name on the line here. The first direction for this section is to count up and down by 10 and write the numbers. I want you to notice that these go across in rows. Okay, so there's 1, 10 here, and then the answer for that one is 10. They've done that one for you. Come here to this one. So we have 1, 10, 2, 10. How do I write 2, 10? You're going to put that number right there. I want you to pause this video and I want you to finish all of these rows until this entire column is filled in with numbers, and then turn the video back on to hear the directions for this bottom part. Okay, pause your video and finish. Welcome back. For this section, you're going to count down and up by 10 the say 10 way. So if you'll notice, there's an arrow that's going down because you're counting down. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. I want you to notice for the 100, they wrote 10 tens. What do you think it will be for 90? How many tens are in 90? 9, that's right. So you'll write the number 9 right here. Once you've finished all of these rows, you'll zoom over here and you're going to be counting up. So we'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Doing the same thing. How many tens are in these numbers?